Hey Gearheads, and welcome to Garage Talk. I'm Corey and I am in the 2022 Subaru Forester Wilderness. We have taken one of these off-road in our home turf, but now I am at the Texas Auto Riders Association Texas Truck Rodeo to see how this compares to some of the vehicles in its own class. And in this video, I will be taking this one off-road to see just how well the Wilderness version does. Stay tuned. Alright, so setting off in the 22 Forester Wilderness, I've got Todd from Subaru here with me. How's it going?
It's great.
So, very excited to see. I've taken one of these out on my own, but it's nice to have some representation from the brand. From your perspective, what makes Forester Wilderness so special?
So for us, you know, when we started this project, we noticed a lot of Subaru owners, not just Forester, but Forester, Outback, every Crosstrek, everything, and they were kind of taking the cars farther and, you know, doing more with them than maybe people had been doing in the past. And we noticed more of that happening, and then people started telling us they wanted more. Yeah. They wanted more capability. They wanted to keep the things that Subaru was known for, the reliability, the durability, the, you know, all-weather capability, but they wanted to just be able to get that, you know, a bit farther out into the trail, or, you know, the woods, or wherever they're going to the wilderness, to do, you know, hiking, biking, kayaking. So it's more of an adventure vehicle in terms of another tool to get you to that sort of adventure versus something built purely just for the purpose of off-roading. So as you look around the car, you'll see a lot of other details that are really built with that kind of mindset, you know, in terms of, you know, the roof tent capability and the easy to clean interior and the features that you've called out, you know.
So we've got dual X mode here. We've got multiple different obstacles out here for different skill levels and vehicle levels. What do you recommend I put it in, and which route are we taking at this fork?
Okay, so as far as the X mode goes, there's really two options, and it's snow and dirt and deep snow and mud. And really the difference between the two is, you know, snow and dirt is really where you're in a slippery situation. You want to minimize wheel slip. And the other one is you're in kind of a mucky situation. You're in mud or something boggy. It's kind of,
you need more power.
You want more wheel spin to wiggle the car around and get you out. So it's, you know, less wheel spin, more wheel spin, basically. So here,
less wheel spin.
Snow dirt is your answer.
And which trail we venturing up this one?
So we can go up either of the trails. Okay. It's up to you. The red being the tougher option you've chosen.
Yes. So this does have a forward-facing camera. This does have pitch and roll. It's got a lot of off-road information for you as you venture out, and helps keep you informed. Let's see how this does on a very steep incline here. Like nothing. So articulation handles this just fine as well?
Yeah, it's fine. Sometimes if you get a wheel up in the air, you know, just keep it and it'll sort it out, but it'll...
Yeah, just walking right over a little bit. Oh my goodness. Yeah, like nothing. Like nothing. Can it handle the twist ditch?
Be my guest.
All right. So this one, again, tests that wheel slippage, wheel in the air articulation, and traction management. So just here we go.
Keep giving it gas, and it'll route the power and sort it out, and you'll be on your way.
There we go. There you go. So all that noise was the ABS system making sure that the wheel that was spinning stopped and the other wheels
so the all-wheel drive system will allocate the power front to rear, and then the braking system will do left to right.
All right. And then a little hill descent right here. More sideways action. Those rocks always feel like they're so close.
Yeah.
So far, I've been impressed. You did mention this has a slightly different CVT than typical Forester models, correct?
Yeah, and it's basically a wider ratio coverage that extends on the lower end to give you that more torque at low speed, and it also has a different final drive ratio as well.
So which path is our path here?
So you can do to the left or the rocks, whichever you choose. This one,
keep steady.
Keep steady as she goes, and you should.
All right.
Be
I
able
will
to go right
ask
up.
on this one camera view. Just
There
because
is a big square rock on the left. You probably want to avoid that one. About halfway up.
Hang right a little.
Yeah, and then once you're past that, just keep straight. And,
Like follow this line.
Yep.
Okay. Here we go.
A little to the left, I think, maybe.
Well, she handled it quite well. And up and out. Very impressive. Like some bigger, more macho 4x4s have struggled in stuff like that. And this essentially walked right through it. Granted, it's small size. Those big rocks, there's a little bit of physics you can't deny on that one. But all around, very fun. And then turning here on to this track, this is really probably where more Foresters in general spend their time, going out to campsites, going out to property lines, exploring national parks and stuff like that, right?
And not just Forester, but pretty much every Subaru loves a good gravel road.
Right. And this one is definitely a good one as well. So a lot of twists and turns and fun. I don't feel any wheel slip, anything crazy going on. I don't feel loss of traction. This thing is very planted as we go around corners, not having to worry about real wheel slip at any corner and breaking loose or losing control or traction. It's a good little car. I'm surprised he's not following me with the drone right now. Oh yeah. So another good thing about the Forester platform just in general is its size and its maneuverability. Something that I think some people kind of forget when they have to go bigger and bigger and bigger, because you can make tight hairpin turns and find small compact trails in something like this that you would never be able to find in something bigger. I really like the size of this.
And the shape of the vehicle is really based on packaging, so there's a lot of space inside, more so than a lot of competing cars of similar exterior dimensions.
And the visibility out of this one is great too, because your window box is very large, so nary a blind spot in this. So very good visibility all the way around. I appreciate what Subaru is doing, especially with the Wilderness line.
I'm trying to remember what we covered, but the interior, again, it's the easy to clean interior. It's the StarTech C material, all-weather floor mats, the dark headliner that you mentioned. These are all things that are designed to, allow you to go do that stuff without, you can keep your car clean basically when you come home. It's easy. You're not ruining your interior materials or seats. So we've got a cargo tray in the back that's water resistant and removable, and the water resistant seat back. So when you fold down the seat, again, you put muddy stuff in there, it's fine. And then we've got the roof rails, which additionally, in addition to the roof tent, we've got tie down points. So if you want to put stuff up there, there's a lot of places to tie down your cargo. Additional lighting in the cargo area if you're out when it's dark. It's just a lot of little details throughout this car.
Again, speaking to that lifestyle consumer.
Yeah.
It really rounds out everything that they've been looking for. Well, if this is what you've been looking for, be sure to check out your local Subaru dealership. If you liked this content and want to see more from us here at the Texas Truck Rodeo, be sure and hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video drops. If you want to see some stuff before it is here, go find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all at GT Garage Talk, or you can just head on over to gtgaragetalk.com, find links to everything there. But as for me, in this 22 Forester Wilderness, I'm going to have just a little bit more fun. Until next time, gearheads, bye.